6x12 aluminum, all aluminum enclosed trailer by Mission Cargo. Trailer comes with a limited lifetime warranty. You got full screwless exterior, .030 skin on the outside, LED lights all the way around. It's all aluminum frame construction. Radial tires are standard. You got a torsion suspension underneath. Tube and frame construction. Side door with the RV style lock. Got the finished interior on it. Vinyl walls and ceiling. Spring assist on the ramp door. Two 12-volt dome lights in the ceiling, along with a roof vent. Corners trimmed out inside. It's got the quad ply finished flooring. '16 on center, walls, floor, and ceiling. Flap to flip over on the ramp. Aluminum bar locks. Spring assist on the ramp will take away all the weight on the ramp. Get your light switch beside the side door. Get you a look at that quad ply deck, and it's finished on the top and bottom there. It's kind of a polymer plastic type finish. The screwless exterior, all the metal's glued on with special adhesive. Gives it a real smooth mirrored look. V-nose with the 3-piece tongue on it. Got a deep V. Again, there's a 6x12 Mission Cargo aluminum enclosed trailer.